Namaste friends. Namaste to all. My name is hithujashu. Today I am going to tell about Puss and the Parrot story. It is raining. Puss the cat is feeling hungry. He looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He lifts the parrot. Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Feeling very happy. Yes. La la la, dum ti dum. La la la, dum ti dum. I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me. No, Mr. Puss. You eat me. No, my dear. I cannot eat you. I'm an old cat. I don't have teeth. Here I come. Okay, here I come. La la la, dum ti dum. La la la, dum ti dum. Puss jumps on the pallet. Good cat will do. First, wash your hands and face. See how fast I wash my hands and face. I cannot wait for you, Mr. Puss. Mr. Puss. Bye. Oh no! I am hungry. You like this story? This moral of the story is think wisely when you are in trouble. Thank you, ma'am.